Welcome to Wall Street Confidential, talking about Mastercard. Strong quarterly numbers from that company today. And you may think that this is a driver because interest rates are going down, Jim Cramer, people are spending more. What's the real story there, though?
You know, one of the continual themes of this market is the misinterpretation of the metric that matters. We saw it with Disney, misinterpretation being that somehow the room rates were what matters. In Mastercard, somehow people feel that what matters is consumer spend. It's not a consumer spend play. It's a share take play. It's the whole world going from paper to plastic, debit card, credit card, and Mastercard is that play. Now I know that Visa is going to come public. That's going to be very good for the bank stocks, by the way, because they all own a big chunk of it. But Mastercard is a play on worldwide globalization of basically American technology and American know-how, and why anyone and the margins are exploding here, and every time the stock goes up, people short it. Now, the difficult thing for me is that I've liked this stock since 40, so when it gets to 200, I'm worried about my second discipline, which is that I feel piggish to like it, and told people to cut back to half. But now you got to let the rest run, because you got you got triple going, and Mastercard I think could trade right through its 220 high and then really bust out to 250, and then Visa will come, and then we'll have to look at it because some people will sell Mastercard and buy Visa. But Mastercard is just a fabulous globalization play without worrying about a worldwide slowdown, even though people think it's a consumer spend play, and they just get it wrong. Margins are exploding. Worldwide adoption is very big here.
All right. So if the U.S. consumer just sort of stops spending,
nothing to do with
it.
I mean, it has no more to do with the U.S. consumer than I would tell you that than I would say buying a copper company that has 10% U.S. market.
Right.
I find over and over again, and I use that just as an example because that's where the growth is. Obviously, Mastercard has a firm base in America, and they make money per transaction, not a lot. It's really adoption play. But why I'm pointing out why does the stock trade so wildly? It's because people do not understand what it's really levered to, which is the worldwide switch from paper to plastic.
All right, Mastercard. Thank you, Jim Cramer. This is Wall Street Confidential. Don't go away.
That's your action point. Take advantage of it.